Hello everyone again. My name is Teacher Colette and I'm the yoga master. First, you need to like parang malabas natin yung mga negative. Wala kang papit. Wala naman tulog ito. So,
English.
First, we need to exhale. Wala pa. Wala pa galing ko lang ba?
Wala pa inhale lang yan na.
Wala pang pakit. Mamaya ka na. We need to exhale the negative. Wala pa, negative. We need to exhale the negativity of that bodyability of our human being. Okay? Saan ka? Okay, let's start. First, we do like this, the feet, the legs, rather. I'm sorry. That, and then up. Bakit ginagaya sa akin? Ginagaya sa akin.
Kasi ito yun.
Then, close your eyes. And then, pag tumatawa, close your eyes. Tawagin niyo kung master ha.
Yes, master.
Hindi master. Master.
Yes, master.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7. Bakit masayang dyan? 8, 7, 6. Okay, down. And then, let's put together.
Wala.